Hi dear students, this is Mr. Sanjay Kubar. Welcome back in the online learning series of Chawra English Medium School, Shahada. Today we are going to take some information about adverbs. Dear students, we know that an adverb is one of the parts of speech. First, let us understand what is an adverb. A word which adds something to the meaning of a verb is called an adverb. Let's repeat it. A word which adds something to the meaning of a verb is called an adverb. An adverb tells us how an action is done. It also modifies the meaning of a verb. It helps us to describe different events. Now, dear students, let us understand this definition with the help of some examples. First, the boy was walking fast. The boy was walking fast. In this example, walking is a verb. Fast, it is an adverb because it adds something to the meaning of the verb walking. That's why fast, it is an adverb. It also modifies the meaning of the verb walking. Now, dear students, let's see another example. The soldiers fought bravely. Here, in this example, the soldiers fought bravely. Fought, it is a verb. Bravely, it is an adverb because it adds something to the meaning of the verb fought. It also tells us how an action is done, how an action of fighting is done. That's why it is also an adverb. Dear students, there are different kinds of adverb. Now, let us understand the kinds of adverbs. Adverbs can be classified into different categories. They are: first, adverbs of manner. Next, adverb of place. Adverbs of time. Adverbs of degree. Adverbs of frequency or number, and interrogative adverbs. So dear students, let us understand all these kinds of adverbs with the help of examples one by one. First, adverb of manner. An adverb of manner shows us how an action is done. An adverb of manner shows us in what manner an action takes place. It answers the question how. For example, the dog was barking loudly. The dog was barking loudly. Here in this example, barking, it is a verb. Loudly, it is an adverb of manner because it shows us how an action of barking was done by the dog. That's why it is an adverb of manner. It answers the question how. For example, how was the dog barking? Answer: loudly. That's why it is an adverb of manner. Next example, we should eat our food slowly. Here, In this example, we should eat our food slowly. Slowly, it is an adverb of manner because this word slowly also shows us how an action of eating our food should be done is indicated by the word slowly. That's why slowly it is also an adverb of manner. It answers the question how. For example, how should we eat our food? Answer slowly. Now, dear students, let's move on to the next kind. Adverb of place. An adverb of place shows the place where an action takes place. This adverb of place shows the place where an action takes place. It answers the question where. For example, the children followed the teacher everywhere. The children followed the teacher everywhere. In this sentence, the word everywhere is an adverb of place because it shows the place where an action takes place. Now, dear students, let's see another example. He sat outside. He sat outside. Here, in this example, the word outside is an adverb of place because it also shows the place where an action takes place. It also answers the question where. For example, where did he sit? Answer outside. Dear students, like everywhere, outside, there are also some other examples of adverb of place. They are here, there, up, down, out, across, above, below, etc. Dear students, now let us understand the next kind of adverb, that is an adverb of time. An adverb of time shows us the time when an action takes place. This an adverb of time shows us the time when an action takes place. It also answers the question when. For example, I shall go to the market tomorrow. I shall go to the market tomorrow. In this example, the word tomorrow is an adverb of time because it shows the time when an action takes place. It answers the question when. For example, when shall I go to the market? Answer tomorrow. Therefore, tomorrow, this word is an adverb of time. Next example, I hurt my leg yesterday. I hurt my leg yesterday. In this sentence, yesterday, it is also an adverb of time because the word yesterday shows us the time when an action takes place. It also answers the question when. For example, when did I hurt my leg? Answer yesterday. Dear students, there are also some adverb of times. They are now, then, before, yet, soon, still, just, etc. Now, dear students, let's move on to the next kind of adverb, that is an adverb of degree. An adverb of degree shows the degree of an action of its verb. It also answers the question how much, how far. For example, he runs very quickly. He runs very quickly. In this sentence, the word very is an adverb of degree because it shows the degree of an action of its verb. It also answers the question how much. For example, how much does he runs quickly? Answer, very quickly. That's why very is an adverb of degree. Next example, he was too careless. He was too careless. In this sentence, the word too is an adverb of degree because it shows the degree of an action of its verb. It also answers the question how much. For example, how was he careless? How was he careless? Answer, too careless. That's why too is also an adverb of degree. The next kind of adverb is an adverb of frequency or number. An adverb of frequency or number shows how many times an action takes place. It also answers the question how often. For example, I take coffee twice a day. Here in this example, I take coffee twice a day. The word twice is an adverb of frequency or number because it shows how many times an action takes place. It also answers the question how often. For example, how many times do I take coffee a day? The answer is twice. That's why twice it is an adverb of frequency or number. Next example, he often makes mistake. Here in this example, he often makes mistake. The word often is an adverb of frequency or number. Dear students, there are also some examples of this adverb of frequency or number. They are once, frequently, occasionally, rarely, etc. Now, dear students, let's understand the next kind of adverb, that is interrogative adverb. These interrogative adverbs are used to ask questions about what the verb state. These interrogative adverbs are used to ask questions about what the verbs state. For example, where did you live? Next, how did you solve this sum? The next example, why are you so late? In all these three examples, the words where, how, why, all these words, they are all interrogative adverbs. Along with this, there are also some other examples of interrogative adverbs. They are when, what, how many, how much, etc. So dear students, in this way, in this video, we have completed learning what is meant by adverb and what are the kinds of adverbs. We understood them with their examples.